Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can connect your Systeme account with your Google Meet account. Let's say you want to create events and do online events and you don't want to use Zoom, so you have the options to use Google Meet, which is really good and it's free. And if you have a Gmail account, you really have your access to Google Meet. So how would it work? First, if you don't have yet access to your Launch Kit 2.0, where I give you a 4 done for you system to generate your first $1,000 a month. I give you a full system with funnel templates, email sequences, full tutorials on the system. So you just click the very first link in the description. And if you don't have yet your access or you have an account, a Systeme account, you can create one for free by clicking the link in the descriptions. Let's get started. From here, you're going to go on the right hand side on your profile picture and click on settings. On the left menu, you're going to look for integrations, and here you see you have Google Meet. So in order to be able to connect your Google Meet, you need to connect first the Google Calendar. So if I click here, it's going to ask me to connect my Google Calendar so I can have my Google Meet connected. So let's click on connect. You choose your appropriate Gmail account, and then you're going to click on continue. You're going to give full access and click on continue again right here. So once your Google Calendar is connected, you see here that the Google Meet is connected also. So if you go to CRM here and go to calendars and you want to create a new event and you're going to choose a location and it will be an online meeting, you can see from here that you can click and choose Google Meet. So every time someone's book a call through your specific calendar in Systeme, they will have access to a Google Meet link. So you won't have to send it manually. And then you can have your meeting online. Super easy. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. If you enjoy this type of content and you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to keep going and create more videos like this. I see you in the next video.